When you're involved in any sort of accident, the question is, what should I do? Well, the first thing you should do is not pick up your phone. Do not pick up your phone from an insurance company, because the insurance companies, they like to speak with you before you get legal representation. I would advise that you call an attorney and have the attorney protect your rights. At that point, once you have discussed your matter with an attorney will notify the insurance company that you are being represented. Once you are being represented, the insurance company can no longer come to you. They have to come to the attorney who you have retained. And the reason is the insurance company loves to question people before they have legal representation. A lot of times they'll say, can we take a statement, a recorded statement? Absolutely not. The insurance companies like to take a recorded statement to get the facts before there's any legal representation. And a lot of the questions may be questions that you don't have a clear meaning on. And what may happen is 6 months later or 8 months later, when you go forth in the case, they may say, well, on January 1st when we spoke with you, you said this happened. Now you're saying it happened differently. What's the truth? You never want to be put in a position like that. So if you're injured in an accident, what do you need to do? You need to go and treat with a physician. Why? Because if you don't go to the doctor, if you try to tough it out, which is good, exemplary, however, it doesn't work for a case. Why? Because the insurance company will say, your client, Mr. Rosenberg, was not that injured. They went to the doctor once or twice. So by somebody who has a very strong work ethic or does not want to deal with the doctors or does not want to deal with the hassle, there is not a viable case for an attorney to get involved. For any successful case, you need two things: liability and damages. Liability is responsibility. Did the other person cause harm to you? And that doesn't matter whether it's a slip and fall case, a medical malpractice case, or an automobile case. You need both things, and you can't have one without the other. The person who is responsible for the incident cannot be you. It's the same thing for a medical malpractice case or a slip and fall case. Just because you fall down does not mean the landowner, the homeowner, the business owner is responsible for your injuries. There has to be a defect in the sidewalk which caused you to fall. Defects are everywhere. It has to be some sort of defect, and you have to be injured.